Welcome to the Glen Hotel and Suites in 8 Plains, Queensland. You'll have to come up these stairs. There is a ground floor. I'm on the 2nd floor. Get the corridor down there with all the other rooms, but I'm around the corner here. Your gymnasium, courtyard, all that stuff. This is actually a beautiful place to stay at. I'm surprised. After entering the room, get your please make up sign, for the next morning when you don't want to get up. Microwave, fridge, of course you got to pay. Pretty nice room. Sink, little study desk, out to the courtyard there. Into big screen TV, flat screen, into your lounge area. Pretty good. Not complaining. Into your bedroom. Another big screen TV, flat screen. King size bed, little light thing on the wall there, all looks pretty nice. Little balcony outside, not going to go out there, but it's just to the street below. So it's not too bad. Normal cupboard. Here into the office, where everybody does most of their thinking. Beautiful big bathroom, double sink, shampoos, all that stuff. Huge mirror. The only little drawback is a step up bath shower, but otherwise clean and nice. Another little walk through. Again, can't complain. Can't complain at all. Nice place to stay for the next couple of days. Very nice indeed. Worked really well. So you say foyer, Glen Hotel and Suites. Easy done, on the other side, inside. Here's the star of the show. He's gone behind the flowers. Glen Hotel and Suites, early morning, just down front. Nice and quiet. This is where you go for breakfast and donuts.